Today in this video, I'm going to be revealing a very important trading strategy that I used to accurately predict what's going to happen in the market. It's currently happening right now, even when so many of the other big crypto traders out there on the internet were saying the opposite. So this is currently ETH USDT, and if you've been following me for over a month right now, you would have known that there was a time everybody was calling ETH USDT to go bullish, right? And I came into the market on YouTube one day and analyzed the market. Basically, they were calling BTC to go bullish and also tagging ETH along with it to go bullish and all stuff like that. And after analyzing the market, I said on YouTube that I don't think going long on ETH USDT or BTC USDT at the time is going to be a wise idea. But what I would suggest is to go short on proportion, right? In proportion, meaning that you should go short and take a profit when it hits a particular land mile. And I also gave explanation on how to identify places that the price is likely going to hit, and then aim to see what will happen once the market comes to this blue line right here, right? I've talked about this a lot of time. Even when I was making videos about this, I was even sounding foolish myself, because I'm literally going contrary to what so many other big crypto traders or forex traders out there is saying on YouTube. But regardless, I followed my strategy, and we went with it, and finally it actually did play out, because funny enough, the market actually did come down to this blue line, right? And of course, it played some magic right here. Over here, probably I might have lost some money, not that huge of a money though, because the market did come over here, try to show us that it has tested the point, and now it's trying to confirm what the big crypto traders are saying. But of course, that was a fake out because it didn't happen long. So if I had taken a long trade right here, I would have lost. But if I've taken a short trade like I did over here, this particular trade you can see right here, then I would have obviously made the profit as well. So regardless, the market did go up, but it didn't continue. It lost steam pretty quickly, and then boom, we started going down once again. And this time around, it went down to the extent of breaking this line. So you can see the kind of market reaction that is going on here for you to know this is actually a point of interest. This particular place over here, that blue line is a point of interest. So you can see the reactions going there, market breaking it, doing fake outs, going up, and so on and so forth. So the trick here is actually to know exactly where the market is going at a time, and just know the behavior of the market every single time you're trading. So regardless, after the market did every single thing it did over there, it started going short, right? Started going short. Of course, every single thing I've seen over here could have been a lot of profit for us, because what I advise people to do is to take profit in proportion. Instead of taking that long trade, that's one trade that can give you up to 500 times, up to 5x of your money. Why not just take a trade that can give you one or 2x of your money, right? Some people like to take trades that can give them up to 1000% increase, right? That's 10x of their money. So instead of doing those things, why not take 1x, 2x of your profit and then move on, or 3x at a max, right? So take your trades in proportion. So basically, we are here right now, and like I said, the market is still not done with this particular point. So if you ask me right now what's going to happen blindly, without really looking much at the market, I would say that the market is likely going to return to this blue point at a point in the very near future. And the funny thing is that the market seems to already be respecting that. It has already broken its previous high, which, as I'm looking at it, it looks like it's going to break this other high. And once it breaks it, goes up and retraces anywhere between that line, then that is a pure blind enter for us, actually, just a blind enter. And once we enter that trade, we'll have our stop loss, nothing more than this point, right? So that's basically one of the ways to trade. So this is just a blind reading I just did on the market. I've not really done anything deep. This is my first impression. So if the market in any way actually breaks this point that it's currently on right now, breaks it and goes higher, right, then we'll wait for a retrace on this same point. So once the retrace happens, we go long, but stop loss is gonna be here, right? So once the stop loss is here, the take profit is gonna be at this point, at the blue line point. It's likely gonna break the blue line and go up, but you know, consider what has happened previously in the market over there, that is gonna be our take profit. And should the market not really touch it and start retracing, we're probably gonna have to take our profit somewhere, you know, below it or something like that, or we can just trail the take profit. So enough of the talk. Let's go ahead and see exactly how to actually read this kind of charts, and see exactly what will likely happen in the future to know if the bull run is over or if the bearish run is still in charge, right? Regardless. Anyway, before I forget, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're actually enjoying anything or learning anything new from this video. So basically what I do is to go ahead and change my time frame to a pretty much high time frame, because this is cryptocurrency. It has been here for a while, right? So what I'll do right now is to go ahead and put this in 4 hours, and then I'll scale down my chart. So I'm scaling down my chart right now. Let's see previous points of market reactions. So we are currently on a bearish run right now, and if you guys know me, I'm always in support of a nice bullish run when it comes to cryptocurrency. But right now, I see nothing that's gonna make me go long. Like, I mean, nothing that's gonna make me go long, unless, let me zoom this in, unless looking at this, the market actually comes over here and breaks this point. I didn't draw this properly. So this particular point where it's currently sitting, right, and goes a bit up, right, maybe not that up, not that high, but you know, goes up and then returns, right? That's confirming what we said in our 15 minutes time frame. So literally we are looking for it to break this point, and then it goes a bit up and comes back over here. Now mind you, this particular setup, I see it as a short-term trade, because to me, even though this is looking like a higher low, to me this is still a very pretty much poor higher low, right? It's still pretty much poor to me. It's not that strong, but regardless, we will take it. Instead of missing out on the market entirely, we will take it, right? As long as we have a higher high right here, we will take it, right? And put our stop loss below it, take profit all the way up there. Hope that makes sense, right? So that's it. That's the number one target. So we already have a target right there. So what we can do right now is just go ahead and put an alert. Let's put an alert where we are willing to actually accept a higher high. So I'm willing to accept a higher high right here. So let's go ahead and put an alert over there. So once the market touches it, I will accept that this is a high high, and then we're looking for a retest at this point, right? It's a very tight trade, but I mean, instead of losing out on the market entirely. Right, so that's currently it right now for me. The market is looking all bearish in the strong market, and in the bull market, it's looking pretty much strong. And one thing for you to know is that even though we are aiming this blue line, I want you to actually pay attention to this point right here, because this is likely going to be a point where the market is actually going to touch and reverse it. As a matter of fact, this might actually be where we will decide to use as our retest mode. But this blue line still stands a very good chance. It's not a must to get there, but it stands a very good chance, right? So I want you to know that every single thing in trading is all probability. So yeah, so that's it actually, guys. This is actually how I read the market. You can do this in BTC as well if you want to. So all you have to do is increase the time frame. First of all, do a blind assumption in the smaller time frame based on what you understand in market go up, go down, higher highs, higher lows. Where do you think the market is going? After doing that, increase to a high time frame and do the same and stuff with it, and see if it coincides with your smaller time frame target. Regardless, no matter what you do, your higher time frame is always much more accurate in reading than your smaller time frame. Always bear that in mind. So the higher time frame is telling me that the overall target for this market is bearish, and the points that we are likely gonna touch for the market to continue going low is this point, right? The one that I just drew right here, this particular point. But like I said, this blue line right here is not an easy point itself. It seems like a very important point for this market. So it's likely gonna touch over here, reverses, and so comes back somewhere here, and then boom, touch there, right? So anything that makes it breaks over here and goes higher than any point here, right? Anything that makes this market goes higher than any point here, our next point of entrance is gonna be at this point over here. That's this blue line, and then we're going higher highs, right? We're targeting higher highs. That's basically it, right? So I want you to actually understand how all these things work. It's not rocket science. Even when other people are telling you that it's likely not gonna work like this, as long as you're currently sure of what you're doing and you actually want to take the trade regardless, then that's fine. You can go ahead and take your trade. Nobody really knows exactly what you want to trade or why you want to trade it. Just make sure that you are happy with whatever comes out of it, because it's going to be your money that's going to be adding or reducing. Regardless, this is basically how you do it, okay? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Take care and happy earning.